Well, good morning. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me, and today I'm doing Chronicles Draft Picks Football. So you might have seen another video here that had Prism Draft Picks, and I purchased this the same time as that Prism Draft off of the Target's website. But again, you've probably seen thousands of breaks of this already, so I won't chit-chat anymore about it, other than to say you get 60 cards a box. But unlike the other one, this one, the autograph, I want to say is not separate. You'll get it within one of the packs. The only thing I'm not quite excited about with Chronicles this year is that they used a lot of products that they actually already have established. I mean, there's Score and Prestige, which basically have rookies and stuff in it, versus products that are more vet based or intended for, we'll call it the normal regular part of the season. So this one starts off with a Kellen Mond Chronicles. And like this, I mean, you got the Score rookie, but I mean, again, you guys already did Score, Panini. Same thing with Legacy. You probably get the same card in Legacy. That's what I don't get. This one's cool though. A Recon Orange. And then a Select Kylan Hill. And this you wouldn't see normally with as a rookie product or a draft pick product, because that comes out later in the year, and by then you've got rookies in their pro uniforms. So next pack here, we got a Trevor Lawrence Donruss from 81 design, and then a Greg Rousseau Donruss, a Legacy Devonta Smith, a Sage Surratt XR, and another Sage, which is a thin version for Spectra. Running out of spots already. So again, like this, you got Prestige, but yet, like a week after this released, it's like Prestige is out there. Oh, there's the foil that got stuck. So here we are with this Prestige. Got a Trevor Lawrence Chronicles. Chuba Hubbard. I'm not sure how he goes with the pronunciation. And Illusions, Justin Fields. That's kind of cool looking. I will give him that. And then a Jamar Chase Optic rated rookie. Oh, so that looks nice too. So I'll give him that. Jamie Newman, Score rookie. In the 89 design. A Prestige Dimitri Fulton. A Trey Lance Legacy. Another Recon Kyle Pitts. And our last one in this one is going to be the Flux Jamie Newman from DePaul. Was it DePaul Demon Deacons? Oh no, Wake Forest. Sorry, my bad. God. Next pack. At least with this, it's all rookies. There's no vets in this. At least not that I think, anyway. Mac Jones, The 81. Looks like this is our autograph. So we got a Devonta Smith Select. Spectra, a Devonta Smith, not numbered. A Rashad Bateman Legacy. And our autograph, Pete Werner from Prestige. So it's sticker auto. At least it's all on sticker. He does come from Ohio State. Again, I'm gonna guess defensive, but have to see if it's listed on the back of this one. Yep, linebacker. So, at least a skill position. Next pack here, we start off with a Trevor Lawrence Prestige. Got a Rondell Moore Chronicles. And that's like a... It does seem different though, because the thing is, it's like orange foil. Because it's different than the Trevor Lawrence, so we'll set that off to the side. Travis Etienne Legacy. Terrence Marshall Spectra. Oh yeah, and that is different than the other one too. Show that in a second. And a Jalen Waddle Spectra. So the status for the two different status. This one, the Devonta Smith, apparently is an orange parallel. So I'm going to go on a limb and say that other one, that Chronicles base, is a orange parallel. So we got a Najee Harris Chronicles base. A nice Trevor Lawrence team color rookie. Kylan Hill Legacy. Kadarius Toney XR. I thought I had an XR. Yeah, I do right there. XR pile. And a Najee Harris Flux. That's a Prism version. Next pack. Start off this one with a Donruss Classic, Jamie Newman. I guess that's what I'm going to call him, is Donruss Classic. Javian Hawkins, Score Rookie. A Mac Jones Legacy. An Illusions Pat Fryermuth. And a Rashad Bateman rated, Optic rated rookie. I should put Optic in front. I wanted to say rated rookie, but it's an Optic rated rookie. Four packs left. Najee Harris, Prestige. Patrick Surtain, Chronicles. Kadarius Toney, Legacy. An orange. Marquez Stevenson. That one looks sick. And a Sean Wade Flux. So since this is an orange parallel, we'll give it this sleeve treatment. Najee Harris, Score Rookie. Terrence Marshall, Classic. Jalen Waddle, Legacy. Terrence Mann, Recon. And a Trevor Lawrence Select. I want to say these are all in the field level design, even though they don't have different versions of Select in here. It's just all the same version. So this one we start off with a Carlos Basham Classic, a Prestige, Kyle Pitts, a Legacy, Jalen Hawkins, Kyle Trask Status, and a Kylan Hill Orange Select. Last pack. This should contain the auto, unless I get bamboozled and there is no auto. So an Amon St. Brown, or did I actually get my auto already? I can't remember. I don't think I did. Oh no, I did. That's right. I got it right there. My bad. Justin Fields Spectra. Spectra's there. This looks like the most likely the orange. Yeah, that's the orange parallel. It looks like I already got one orange that I missed. So that's two oranges. Javonte Williams Legacy and a Justin Fields XR. There's a head XR there. So yeah, sleeve these two up. The orange. I mean, I didn't set aside the different, whether it be Fields, Lawrence, Jones, Wilson, Trask, Pitts. So the majority of these are going to be orange or silvers. So you do get a fair amount. So we got Jamar Chase, Prestige, along with a Demetric, was it Felton for Prestige. The Select Kylan Hill. Recon Travis Etienne. A Devonta Smith Status. XR Marquez Stevenson. We got the base Select Trevor Lawrence. Najee Harris. And Jamie Newman Flux. This one's the silver. This one's the Prism. And this one's just a regular base version, but seemed cool. And then, of course, the autograph out of the box was the Pete Werner. And then the other one, I guess I'd say, is a notable card, and I'll go ahead and sleeve it up just because. But you've got the Trevor Lawrence score rookie in the 89 score design, which is strange that this is in the 89 design, but then this is in the 81 Donruss design. So who knows what Panini's motivation was to use 81 for that design. I don't recall if that was their inaugural season for baseball cards or not. That could be, and that's why they did it. Anyway, that concludes this break of 2021 draft picks for the Chronicles edition. So again, hope everybody has a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.